Three, 2, 1, go.
Hi, I'm Adam Karabegovich from Gateway Science Academy. I'm in 10th grade, and this is a little science fair experiment I like to call Perfume Science. The purpose of this is to show how when your brain is given multiple things to memorize at once, it has a hard time doing that, because it's easier to memorize one thing at a time than memorizing, for example, 5 things. And that leads me to the purpose of doing this. This is an example to show people how the brain is limited, like I just said, to memorizing things at once. We would give volunteers different types of perfume, 8 different types of perfume on 16 pieces of paper, and they would have to memorize each of the perfume's scent, and would have to find all 16 samples of the perfume on the table on each of the pieces of paper, which is really hard, I believe, because your brain has a sensory overload when things don't work right, and when you have to memorize too many things at once, your brain gets stressed. That happens at around 3 or 4 things to memorize at once, which is extremely low, at least I think it's extremely low. For example, I would give the volunteers the perfume to smell. That's good. And then I would give the volunteers all 8 bottles of perfume to smell. They would have to find the perfume, that specific perfume, on all 16 of those and identify which ones were that scent. And if they get it correct, they would keep going for the next 7. And if they got them all right, they would get something like a treat or something like that. But it's really hard to do. It's really hard to memorize a lot of things at once. When you're trying to smell, you waft air into your nose, and it goes to the back of your nose where there are little sensors called cilia that transmit a brain signal to the back of your brain. Thank you for watching.